There's been quite a bit of interest on how the mini melons are going this year. Well, I can tell you that mildew has been playing havoc with the plant. It's knocking it around. I can't hold it at bay anymore. But I can tell you the mini rockmelons, I've got a number of them there. And this morning I picked the first one. And in fact, first two. There it is, nice and ripe. Now you know it's ripe because the stalk that attaches it, if you have a close look in here, just look at the stalk, it just drops off. So these were on the ground, and the two of them I had, about this size. Now I've already cut and eaten one, and they are great. Beautiful little mini rock melons. Well done, Greg. You have done well with this. Greg from Useful Seeds, anybody? Look them up online and grab the seed. They're worth it.